Hi there, mga beloved kong soulmates. Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Andito naman po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan at sinusubaybay ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ang ating po reading ngayon na pagsasamahan ay isang timeless reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Leo. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you, okay? Ang ibig sabihin po nating timeless reading ay kahit kailan nyo po ito mapanood next week, next month, next year. Ang ibig sabihin po ay para po sa inyo ang energy ng reading na ito. So, sige po. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great, you're healthy, you're safe, and happy. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe po, mag-comment, like, and share. And if you're watching this video sa ating TikTok account, huwag po kayong mahiyang mag-follow, repost, share. And if you want to avail a personal or private reading, please kayo po ang unang mag-message sa akin. Doble ingat po kayo ha. May mga nanggagaya po ng ating account, nag-re-upload ang videos natin. So, hindi po ako yung unang mag-chat sa inyo. Kayo po dapat yung unang mag-chat po sa atin. And pag-usapan po natin doon kung paano kayo makakapag-book o makapag-avail ng slot para sa ating private reading. Okay? So, please be cautious. Doble ingat po. Be careful kasi marami po naglipa na po ngayon ang mga scammer. So, wag na natin pang patagalin pa ito. Leo, kunin na natin ang isang pong baraha para sa yung timeless reading. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, give me 10 cards please for Leo. Okay? So, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Thank you so much po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon ay hindi niyo po iniiwan. Sabi ko nga, utang na loob ko po sa inyo saan man tayo makarating o saan man makarating ang success ng channel na ito. Because all of you, kung wala po kayong mga subscribers natin, mga viewers, mga pinakamahal kong soulmates, Renzo Tarot 444 ay wala po ngayon sa inyong harapan. So, sige. Leo, your 10 cards are now ready. Huwag na nating pang patagalin pa ito. Okay. For your timeless reading, first card mo is strength. You need to do your best to carry on. So you are, you have the skills, you have the courage, magaling ka, Leo. What is this? This is your card, ha? Kasi we have a lion here. So this is confirming, itong unang baraha pa lang opening card is confirming that, Leo, this is really for you. So you need to carry on. You need to move forward. Huwag kang matakot, huwag kang, kumbaga, tanggalin mo yung mga agam-agam mo, your doubts, because if you really, kumbaga, makakaya mo pa ang lahat. You are in a situation maybe of desperation or nawawalan ka ng pag-asa. With the strength card here, the universe is telling you need to carry on. Okay? Imagine mo, kaya mo matame or mapaamo ang isang leon na napakabangis na hayop. So it means that, Leo, you're very strong kind of person. But that's why walang excuse dito para hindi kayo magpatuloy sa buhay. Okay? So, we have here the Lovers card. So I can see here, Leo, if you're expecting, it's like, parang may nagpaparamdam sa inyo. If you're single, Leo, so expect kumbaga, a very good progress in terms of relationship. Maaring papasok kasi isang relationship again. If you're married, if you're currently in a partner, you have a partner, so Leo, expect a harmonious relationship. Communication, good communication, no problem at all. I can see here, no problem. Because this Lovers card is in upright, so it means talagang magiging maganda ang takbo ng pagsasama nyo. So, to those who are single, so Leo, get ready. If you so meron na diyang mga magpaparamdam. So, if you're also willing, if you're ready, your heart and mind is ready, so why don't you try na magsumubok o magsimula mo din with the Lovers card here. Pangatlo ay 10 of Swords. Leo, may mga Leo tayo nakikita dito na parang nasa sitwasyon ng being hopeless, or desperation. Maybe, siguro not only mentally and physically, drain talaga kayo. So, ubus na ubus ang energy nyo, may mga situation, may mga bagay lately na nangyari na talagang, kumbaga dito mo nilaan, inubos lahat ng energy mo. So, that's why I can see here na talagang, you feel so hopeless. Feeling mo wala na talagang pag-asa ang lahat para sa'yo. Anxiety, I can see here, may mga Leo na parang halos ayaw nang bumangon. Feeling nila wala na talagang pag-asa ang buhay nila. But I'm telling you, Leo, with the strength card here, sabi ko, walang rason para hindi ka bumangon muli at magpatuloy. You are very strong. You are very brave, Leo. So, kayang-kaya to, manageable to. So, I respect your agony. So, maaaring talagang mahirap ang sitwasyon. So, that's why I cannot say na madali, hindi ko pwedeng magsabi na, okay, get up. and fix yourself kasi maaari ikaw yung nakakaramdam yan. But I believe me, Leo, that will be over. Hindi talaga yan magtatagal. So you need to pick up the pieces of your life again and start over again. So hindi araw-araw. Kung baga sabi nga, may kasabi na tayong walang bagyo na forever. So matatapos din ang lahat na yan. Okay? So but I respect what you're feeling right now because nakikita ko talaga ito, hindi madali ang lahat para sa'yo. Sobrang bigat talaga ng dinadala mo as of now, Leo. Okay? So, talaga kino-confirm. Pang-apat na baraha ay Nine of Swords. So, sleepless nights. Stress na stress talaga kayo, Leo. Masakit ang ulo mo. Ang dami mo talagang gustong ma-solve na problema. Overwhelming. Ang daming responsibilities not only for yourself but even your family members, trabaho, community, or whatsoever. So, it seems na, tingnan mo, 10 and 9, talagang you are in the state, sabi ko nga talaga, hindi talaga madali itong dinadala mo ngayon, Leo. And ulitin ko, and whatever you're feeling right now is valid. I respect that and walang maka-question that kasi bawat isa tayo sa atin ay kanya-kanyang way ng pagdadala ng problema. But Leo, ulitin ko, this is not, kumbaga, but to cheer you up para hindi ko parang pagmukhaing parang okay ang lahat. But sinasabi ko nga, hindi mauuna itong stress card kung hindi lalabas dito sa mga barahan natin something is wrong about you. So ang gusto ko lang sabihin, the universe is sending you a message. Kung kaya mo nga mapaamo ang isang leon, so why don't, ibig sabihin, you have the skills, you have the courage, matapang ka, malakas ka, matalino ka, kakayanin mong lahat. Maybe, as of now, so feeling mo lang kasi wala ka nang nalalapitan, walang walang tulong na dumarating. So, there are also, I can see here, betrayals also from other people na you're expecting na tutulong sa'yo. Maybe talagang pinagkatiwalaan mo din, but walang nangyari. That's why, ganito yung sitwasyon mo ngayon, Leo. Okay, but believe me, okay, hindi pa ito yung end. Hindi pa ito yung, kumbaga, culmination ng lahat. So, meron pa talagang marami pang mga surprises na mangyayari sa'yo for you, Leo. Okay? Panglima mong baraha. So, 9 of Wands, I can see here also na ang sinabi ko nga, lately na ang nagkakos din itong mga sakit mo sa ulo is stress is because of some people that is, kumbaga, making some stories, sinisiraan ka, ginagawan ka ng kwento, ini-stalk ka, minomonitor yung mga galaw mo, Leo, and they're going to make, to make a certain story na parang wala namang katotohanan. So you're really affected. Not only you're overwhelmed with obligations and responsibilities, isa pa sa nakaka-drain ng energy mo is because of these issues around na binabato ng mga tao sa paligid na wala namang katotohanan. Parang feeling mo kasi dito, hindi ka nakakapag-explain ng side mo eh. Parang hinusgahan ka, and that's why you're really, kumbaga, anxious, you're really worrying, kumbaga, that's why, because may tao ditong inggit sa'yo, evil eye ito, parang, kahit nga nananahimik ka na, Leo, it's because, kumbaga, talagang grabe yung insecurity nitong tao na to sa'yo. That's why, he or she's doing their best to monitor what's happening in your life, and doon na naman, mag-make up na naman ng stories to ruin your name or sirain ka. Okay, Leo? So, ulitin ko, I respect you because hindi madali ito, ha? So, again, tingnan mo, may second road pa naman tayo. Believe me, andito yung resolution nitong lahat ng ito. So, there's always a hope, believe me. So, before we proceed to our last 5 cards, ulitin ko po, kapag di po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, comment, like, and share. If you're watching this on our TikTok account, please follow Renzo Taro 444. Mag-repost, share kapag nagustuhan nyo. If you want to avail of personal or private reading, send me a direct message sa ating TikTok account. Pag-usapin po natin. Hindi po ako yung mag-send sa inyo ng message, ha? May mga scammer po. May mga nagkakaya po ng ating account at nag-repost at upload ng ating videos. So, please be extra careful. Sige, Leo. Pang-anim mong baraha sa yung timeless reading. Talaga. Nasa sitwasyon ka talaga, Leo, na parang hindi lang talagang, I understand now bakit talagang lugmok ka, drain ka, talagang kino-confirm talaga na hindi lang isang tao talaga. Pinagkakaisahan ka dito, Leo. May mga tao talaga sa trabaho, sa paligid mo, mga marites, mga taong, talagang gumagawa, double effort talaga para sirain ka or para pabagsakin ka. Ingit na ingit itong mga tao na to. But believe me, ito, katapat na strength card. Okay, this is not the best time to give up pa. Sige lang. Okay lang. Rest lang, kumbaga entertain mo lang yung nararamdaman mo. But this strength card here, so talagang lakasan mo ang loob mo. Huwag kang magpapapekto. Okay? You need to fight for yourself. Whatever these issues, whatever these people are doing to you, Leo, matatapos din to. Believe me. Babalik ito sa kanila, ha? So your ruler is sun. there will be clarity. Magiging malinaw din ang lahat and papabor din ang lahat ng para sa'yo. So as of now, hayaan mo na sila. Doble effort. Magpakasawa sila. But this is a confirmation that people are working behind your back talaga or talaga pinagkakaisahan ka. Pang-pito is Page of Cups. Ito na. So, magiging okay din lahat. Magbubunga din ang lahat later on. Magki-clear din ang pangalan mo. With a Page of Cups here, this is harvest season. After all of this, what you're going through, after all of this painful situation na pinagdadaanan mo, paninira, overwhelming na pressure, problema, we have the harvest season. With the Page of Cups, I'm telling you, Leo, that will be over and ang kapalit nito mga betrayals, ang kapalit nito mga paghihirap na pinagdaraan mo ngayon ay harvest season. You will be holding the trophy, the cup, success, victory, may laman pa siyang fish. It means talagang abundance, prosperity. Okay, so sabi nga natin, everything happens for a reason. Hindi ito mangyayari, hindi ito ibabato sa yung universe kung hindi mo kaya. Alam niya, kaya nga lumabas yung Leo card dito with the strength card eh. So it means, kayang-kaya mo. And believe me, if kapag nalagpasan mo itong lahat ng Leo, lahat ng ito, talagang you will be so happy. Okay? So ito, King of Pentacles, abundance, stability, regarding money, resources. So, ingit na ingit lang talaga sila sa'yo. Itong mga tao na ito is because wala sila namang meron ka. So, that's why with the King of Pentacles here. So, talagang kinakaingitan ka because Leo, may savings ka, may naunti kang napundar ng mga negosyo, you're beautiful, sikat ka. So, kumbaga, pinag-uusapan lagi ay yung pangalan mo sa communities because what you're doing is you're really doing it, kumbaga, by yourself. You're doing your best. And of course, you're so authentic. Hindi ka plastic na tao. You give positivity, you possess radiance kapag sa pagsasama. That's why nami-misinterpret na ibang tao Leo. Kaya naiinggit sila. So, also, ito, Ten of Swords, if you're worried, if you're, kumbaga medyo nag-worry ka sa finances mo kung mag-improve pa ito, so expect stability and growth. So, may improvement na mangyari, Leo. So, cheer up. Okay, sabi ko nga sa'yo, ito, yung sunod-sunod ang gaganda ng mga baraha. After nitong 1, 2, 3, 4 na magkasunod na medyo negative, so here you are, sabi ko sa inyo, may resolution talaga. Pang-siyamong baraha, Leo, so 7 of Cups. Isa rin daw sa nakaka-apekto sa mga stress or sleepless nights mo ay medyo undecided ka pa, medyo magulo pa ang lahat para sa'yo, nahihirapan ka pa, nalilito ka pa kung alin bang pipiliin mo, alin bang option or choices ang talagang susunggaban mo. But this is a good problem, Leo, kasi at least di tulad ng iba or di tulad lately na parang limited lang sa iisa, yung kumbaga yung wala silang choice at tanggapin na. But these are opportunities. But ang nakikita ko lang dito, medyo nahihirapan ka lang sa pagde-decide. Medyo malito pa ang lahat. You don't know what to do. Hindi mo pa alam kung alin talaga ang para sa'yo. But this is a good problem. Sabi ko nga, King of Pentacles is here. So expect growth. Expect opportunities that is coming on your way. So Leo. So sabi ko nga, after all this paninira, after all of this, frustrations and disappointment that you are currently facing, so there will be a ray of hope again for you. Okay? So, 10th and last card mo, Leo, sa yung timeless reading is Temperance. Sabi ko, you just need to focus. You just need to move forward. Be patient. Habaan pa ng konti ang pasensya, Leo. Everything will be alright. Everything will be okay. With the Temperance card here, so sabi ko nga, pasensya ha. Huwag ka mag-react dito sa mga taong ito, mga stalker na to. Please don't make any revenge. Hayaan mo sila matatapos din. Magbabackfire din sa kanilang lahat. What you need to do is to work hard, focus on your goal, be patient because everything will be rewarded. May Page of Cups dito. So, Leo, believe me, everything will make sense later on and everything will fall into place for you. This is a very beautiful reading. I hope and I pray na marami nasasay ng Leo mga kapatid ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much sa inyong muling pagsama sa inyong lingkod, Reza Tara 444. Thank you so much mga Leo kong soulmates. Nasama kayo na roon. Ano man ginagawa niyo, mag-ingat kayo lagi. And God bless us all.